Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nilesh Shalgi and you are watching Techie Programmer. So today in this video we are going to learn about methods that we can apply on tuples and dictionary. So let's get started. Let me just open up my PyCharm here, and I have already I've just completely written what we are going to go through today. So I have just listed the method description along with an example for that. So let us go through from top to bottom. First, we have the Python tuple methods. So Python has two built-in methods that you can use on tuples. So let me just consider an example. If this is my tuple, here 1 2 3 4 6 5 3 7, and tuple is written in this curly simple parenthesis, and I have just made it as this is methods, then I have a description here. So method is count. Count returns a number of times a specified value occurs in the tuple. For example, here we have 3 and 3 occurs 2 times here and here. So when I run this code, n is equals to my tuple.count number 3, then it returns 3 and we can print the number of occurrence of a number. So this prints out 3. Then next we have index. What it does is whenever I say or pass a variable to that, it will check for the index position of that particular variable. For example, in this case, if I say 2, then 2 is located at the index value of 1 because it starts at 0. So 0 and 1. So here we have it returns 1, and whenever I print, it should print 1. So let me just run this. So you can just ignore this for right now because we will be going through that, and just look at the first initial 2 outputs here. So here this 2 is for this, as I said, 3 is repeated 2 times in this tuple, so it returned or printed 2. When I said dot index, then it is searching for the index value, index location for 2. So here it starts as 0, so 1, so it returns 1 because I have searched for 2, and then I'm just printing that I value or whatever the data is stored in this. So this is the methods that we can apply on the tuples. Next, moving on to the methods that you can apply on a dictionary. So Python dictionary methods. Here I'm just creating a dictionary, and this is how the dictionary looks. It is just well formatted in a row. So you can just see that here is a dictionary called car, wherein we have 1 2 3 data. One is the brand, that is Ford. Second model is Mustang, year 1964. So here I have method and then the description. So even this follows the same here. And first thing here, the first method that we are going to learn is copy. So what I do is if I want to make a clone of my original dictionary, then what I can do is I can just say the variable name, that is car. Here this is the car is my dictionary. So car dot copy. When I say copy, it makes another, it returns the whole complete set, that is car, and it stores in the value x. And when I say print x, then it prints this whole again, this complete dictionary. Then we have the next method, that is from keys. What does is returns the dictionary with a specified key and value. So if I have, like, this is one of my dictionary list or tuple, and if you have another list or tuple, what it does is, if I say a dictionary has a method, when I say dict dot from keys, then this will be my key and this will be my value. So it just assigns, like maps, and says key value pair. And when I print this, here you can see key 1 has value 0, key 2 has value 0, key 3 has value 0. So this is how we can create a dictionary using tuple or list. So you can use this here, and when I print this dictionary, then it prints just. Then next, moving on to get. What it does is it takes the, it returns the value for the specified key. If I want to know the model, then if I will just go that, I'll just go with car.get, then the key. As I said, if you are getting confused, this is key and this is value. So dictionary is nothing but a pair of key value, like pair of key and value is taken along. Then what I'm going to do here is, if I want to know the model, then I will just type to get model, then print it, then it just prints Mustang. This is the model. Then talking about items just it returns completely, it just strips off everything and it returns the tuple of each key and value pair. So it just returns the key value pair in a fashion of tuple. So when I say get car dot items, then it completely returns the dictionary in a tuple form. So this is how it works. Then coming next to keys, whenever I say if I want to know all the keys, then if I just say car dot keys, then it will return the list of dictionaries keys. Like it just returns all the keys in your particular dictionary, and then it will be a list. So hence we can just take that list and store it in a variable, then print here. So here you can see dictionary keys are, it is a list here which says brand, model, and here this is the key. And if I want to go for values, then similarly I can go with car dot values. And in order to pop, the just says that pop removes the element with a specified key. So if I want to remove a model, then what I can do is I can just pop it, just say car dot pop, and it just removes that key and value pair. And whenever I print again, it just takes on itself. I mean, it's a self act, or the self updation here. So when I print again the same car, then it just prints only the brand and the year. And you can see here the model has been disappeared because it has been popped. And when I say pop item, then it, without taking any input, it just pops and removes the last inserted value or the last inserted key value pair. So this is how pop item works. Then set default, if you're in the case if you have missed any, if you have missed mentioning the model, then what it does is, with the help of this line, you can just set a default model to Bronco. Like you can just set it to anything. So this is key and this is value. So for this key, if there is no value specified, then it returns this. So it is kind of setting a default. Then I can just print it here. You can see here you can see it just prints Bronco. Update, the update updates the dictionary with a specified key value pair. If I want to update a color, model, year, anything, what I can do is I can just go here, or even I can add a new parameter here. So I mean new key value pair, and I say car dot update, and then this, then just pass a dictionary which has the key value pairs. Then later on printing this will give me this result here. Here you can see it says brand Ford, model Bronco, color white. So this is how it works. Then as I said, if you want to return the values, you can just say the dictionary name dot values. It returns all the values associated with the dictionary. Then clear just clears out all the dictionary and make it empty. So you can see at the end we have empty dictionary. This is because of this clear operation. So these are all the methods that you can apply or use on the tuple and the dictionary. So that's it for today. If you have made up to the end, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.